When it comes to three-row SUVs that actually deliver on their promises, most fall short in one area or another. But what if there was one that checked every single box without breaking the bank? This isn't a typical family hauler. The 2026 Chevrolet Traverse solves every owner complaint, and it solves it in style. Let's check it out. Design. The first thing that hits you about the 2026 Traverse is how dramatically different it looks from the vanilla crossovers flooding the market. Chevy went all in with their highbrow design language that takes direct inspiration from their body-on-frame truck lineup. The result is a crossover that looks like it could haul your boat to the lake and then take the family to dinner without missing a beat. The front fascia dominates with a massive grille and aggressive headlight configuration that wouldn't look out of place on a Tahoe or Suburban. Sharp, angular lines run the length of the vehicle, while the boxy proportions maximize interior space without sacrificing style. LED lighting comes standard front and rear, creating a premium light signature that announces your arrival from blocks away. The color palette reinforces this premium positioning with options like mosaic black metallic, lakeshore blue metallic, sterling gray metallic, and the eye-catching radiant red tint coat. Whether you choose the chrome-accented luxury of the high country trim or the blacked-out aggressive styling of the RS, the Traverse projects confidence and capability that most competitors simply can't match. But here's where the Traverse really separates itself from the pack. Underneath that truck-inspired exterior lies a suspension system tuned specifically for family comfort, not sporty pretensions. While other manufacturers chase handling dynamics that few owners will ever use, Chevy focused on what families actually need: a smooth, quiet ride that makes long trips bearable for everyone on board. The suspension setup prioritizes absorbing road imperfections over sharp cornering, resulting in one of the most comfortable rides in the entire segment. Road noise has been minimized through extensive sound insulation and acoustic glass, creating a cabin environment where conversations flow naturally even at highway speeds. This comfort-first philosophy extends to the steering as well, which is tuned for ease of use rather than sporty feedback. Exactly what you want when navigating parking lots full of shopping carts and small children. Interior. Space that actually works. Once you open the doors, the Traverse's true genius becomes apparent. This isn't just about having 3 rows of seats. It's about having 3 rows that adults can actually use without feeling like they're being punished. With nearly 121 inches of wheelbase and a boxy, space-efficient design, the Traverse maximizes every inch of interior volume. Front row passengers enjoy a generous 44 inches of legroom, while second row occupants get over 41 inches, dimensions that rival many full-size luxury sedans. But where most 3-row SUVs completely fail is in the third row, treating it as an afterthought suitable only for children or emergency use. The Traverse laughs at this limitation with more than 32 inches of legroom in the way back, meaning adults can actually sit there comfortably without their knees touching their chins. The seating configurations are equally thoughtful. All trims accommodate 7 passengers with second-row captain's chairs that provide easy access to the third row, though the LT trim offers an optional second-row bench that increases capacity to 8 passengers. But space isn't the only story here. The 2026 Traverse also delivers a level of interior refinement that previous generations could only dream of. The dashboard design feels modern and upscale with soft touch materials and high contact areas and an overall aesthetic that doesn't scream budget family hauler. While it may not quite match the premium materials found in luxury competitors, the improvement over previous generations is substantial. Storage solutions are scattered throughout the cabin, including large bins in the center console, multiple cup holders strategically placed for all 3 rows, and door pockets sized for actual items families carry. The hands-free power liftgate comes standard, making it easy to access the cargo area even when your arms are full of groceries or sports equipment. Speaking of cargo space, the numbers are genuinely impressive. Behind the third row, you'll find nearly 23 cubic feet of space, enough for a week's worth of groceries or several sports bags. Fold the third row down and that expands to 56.6 cubic feet, while dropping both rear rows opens up a cavernous 97.6 cubic feet of cargo volume. These aren't just competitive numbers, they're class-leading figures that put some full-size SUVs to shame. Safety features. While most manufacturers reserve their best safety features for higher trim levels or expensive option packages, Chevy includes an astonishing array of driver assistance systems as standard equipment across the entire Traverse lineup. Every 2026 Traverse comes standard with forward collision warning, forward and reverse automatic emergency braking, pedestrian and cyclist detection, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, and a surround view camera system. That's already more standard safety tech than many luxury competitors offer. But Chevy doesn't stop there. Additional standard features include traffic sign recognition, speed limit assist, driver attention monitoring, and the innovative safety alert seat that vibrates to warn you of potential hazards. The teen driver system allows parents to set speed and audio volume limits for younger drivers, while the rear seat alert reminds you to check the back seats before exiting the vehicle, a potentially life-saving feature for busy parents. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration awarded the 2026 Traverse an overall 5-star safety rating, with 5 stars in both frontal and side crash tests. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety named it a top safety pick, with the highest rating of good in multiple crash tests and strong scores for its vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-pedestrian front crash prevention systems. For those who want even more advanced technology, Super Cruise hands-free driving is available on higher trims, allowing truly hands-free driving on over 400,000 miles of compatible highways across North America. This system reduces driver fatigue on long trips while maintaining an unwavering focus on safety through constant driver monitoring. Powertrain and Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Traverse features a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque. This power plant delivers more power and torque than traditional V6 engines while maintaining better fuel efficiency. The kind of engineering advancement that makes you wonder why other manufacturers haven't figured this out yet. Paired with a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, the Traverse delivers power exactly when you need it, whether you're merging onto the highway with a full load of passengers or pulling a trailer up a steep grade. The engine provides adequate acceleration for a vehicle of this size, reaching 60 miles per hour in approximately 7.3 seconds. Perfectly respectable for a family hauler prioritizing comfort over sport. Fuel economy remains a strong point, with front-wheel drive models achieving an EPA estimated 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. All-wheel drive versions see a modest decrease to 19 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway. Still competitive numbers for a vehicle with this much capability and interior space. All-wheel drive is available across the lineup and comes standard on the off-road-oriented Z71 trim. The system provides confident traction in various weather conditions while remaining unobtrusive during normal driving, automatically sending power where it's needed without any input from the driver. Trim levels and pricing. One of the most refreshing aspects of the 2026 Traverse is its straightforward trim structure. Instead of overwhelming buyers with dozens of confusing option packages, Chevy offers just 4 well-equipped trim levels, each delivering exceptional value at its price point. The base LT trim starts at around $40,700 and comes loaded with features that are optional on many competitors. Standard equipment includes cloth upholstery, an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, the massive 17.7-inch infotainment touchscreen, wireless device charging, 11-inch digital gauge cluster, navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 6-speaker audio system, tri-zone automatic climate control, hands-free power liftgate, proximity keyless entry, push-button start, and 18-inch wheels. The trailering package, complete with heavy-duty cooling and hitch guidance, also comes standard on the LT. Moving up to the Z71 trim at $47,800 brings standard all-wheel drive, all-terrain tires, off-road tuned suspension, hill descent control, and synthetic leather upholstery. This trim targets buyers who occasionally venture off the beaten path, but don't want to sacrifice on-road comfort for off-road capability. The luxury-focused high country trim, priced at $53,800, adds 22-inch wheels, unique chrome exterior accents, leather upholstery, ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, power folding third row, 6-way power adjustable passenger seat, ambient interior lighting, rain-sensing windshield wipers, park assist, and a premium Bose 10-speaker audio system. At the top of the range, the Sporty RS trim starts at $54,100 and includes unique styling elements, a panoramic sunroof, and a flat-bottom steering wheel that adds a touch of performance flair to the family-friendly package. The simplified lineup means you get more for your money at every price point, with less confusion and fewer hidden costs than you'll find with most competitors. In a market where many manufacturers are pushing prices ever higher, the Traverse maintains its position as the value king of the 3-row segment. But the Traverse fights in a highly competitive segment full of amazing SUVs. Check out this video about the reasons to wait for the next generation 2026 Kia Telluride, which you can now see on the screen. Kia's already impressive SUV is on the way to becoming even more than that, something really close to true perfection.